Hi, in this video we'll try to calculate day over day growth, and this is a report page which has a slicer up top and a table visual which has date, and also we brought in the total steps measure which we have calculated earlier. And the next logical step is try to calculate the day over day growth, and let us try to create a simple measure. And there are many time intelligence functions, so I thought I'll just start off by calculating the day over day growth and create a measure. And this is a previous day steps. There are a couple of ways to do it, and this is one of the methods. We'll use the calculate function, and we want to calculate the total steps, and we'll use the date add function. And date add expects 3 arguments: the dates, we are going to pass the calendar date, and also what are the number of intervals, and also the interval will be the day. And once we commit, we have the measure ready, and we can drag the measure onto the table visual. As you can see, it is giving you the previous day measure, and we are using a calendar table which has the continuous dates. Once we have done that, we can simply calculate the day over day difference, which would be total steps minus the previous day steps. It's a very simple thing. Now that we have these two things, it's very easy for us to calculate the as a percentage, and we will try to drag that measure onto the table visual. And next is we will try to calculate the percentage. Right click on the measures table, and we'll try to use that measure. But before that, in case if you see in the table visual, we have the 10,557 in the total, so we can eliminate that by using this simple logic. If is in scope calendar table, if and only it is there, give me that value, otherwise don't give. So this way we have removed the total 10,557 in that particular column. And next, like I said, we can calculate the percentage day over day equal to, and again we'll use the same logic to make sure that the percentage value is not appearing in the total if it's in scope calendar. And we will use the simple divide function. We will, for the numerator, we'll pass the day over day, and also in the denominator we'll use the previous day steps. So, and close the parenthesis for the divide, and also if that is not there in scope, then give me the blank. So drag that onto the table visual. You can see we have 3 measures: total steps, day over day difference, and also percentage day over day. So, and next is formatting is up to us. We can do in whichever fashion we want. So we can just copy this visual and convert that into, say, in this example, let me try to convert that into a line chart. So that we have a slicer up top and a table visual, and also we have a line chart, so that whenever user makes selections on the slicer, these two visuals also will be interactive. That is exactly what we want. We will try to tweak this line chart. We will make sure that the percentage difference is dashed line, and we'll change the color, and we'll make sure that the data labels appear only for that percentage. So that way the line chart is also clean. And by using a simple measure, by calculating the previous day, and we could calculate the difference, also we could get the percentage. So this is the first step. We will try to extract more insights from our data set, and we will try to calculate month over month, week over week, and year over year growth, and we'll try to touch upon a few of those time functions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.